This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of creditrepairshop.com. I want to make you aware of TMX Financial Corporate Services, Inc. on behalf of itself and its parent company, TMX Finance, LLC, and its affiliates, which operate under different brands as Titlemax, Titlebucks, Instaloans, collectively, is writing to inform you of a data breach that may have involved your personal information. TMX takes its privacy and security of personal information very serious. This letter provides information about the incident and resources available to you to protect your information. What happened on February 13th, 2023, we detected suspicious activity on our systems and promptly took steps to investigate the incident. As part of the investigation, global forensics cybersecurity experts were retained. Based on the investigation to date, the earliest known breach of TMX's system started in early December 2022. On March 1st, 2023, the investigation confirms that the information may have been acquired between February 3rd, 2023, February 14th, 2023. Not sure about that. We promptly began a review of potential affected files to determine what information may have been involved in the incident. We notified the FBI, but have not delayed this notification for any law enforcement investigation. What information was involved? The personal information involved may have included name, date of birth, passport number, driver's license number, federal and state identification card number, tax identification number, social security numbers, and financial information, which would be if you had direct deposit or if you're paying by debit or credit card your payments, and other information such as phone number, address, and email address. What are we doing? Our investigation is still in progress, but TMX believes the incident has been contained. We continue to monitor our systems for any suspicious activity. We have implemented additional security features such as additional endpoint protection and monitoring, as well as resetting all employee passwords. We continue to evaluate the situation for further enhance our security of our systems. To help protect your identity, we are offering a complimentary credit monitoring identity protection service through Experian Identity Works for a period of 12 months. Please see the enclosed reference guide for enrollment details and instructions. What you can do in addition to enrolling in the complimentary credit monitoring identity protection service, the reference guide includes additional information on general steps you can take to monitor and protect your personal information. We encourage you to remain vigilant against potential identity theft and fraud. By carefully reviewing credit reports and account statements to ensure that all activity is valid. So, all right, just wanted to get this information over to you. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch video, What Makes Us Different, so you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to get your complete credit reports and all 3 scores and all of the information that you would need to repair your credit. I'm not sure with this one or if they're given a complete 3 bureau and all scores. Usually with these, they do not give you all of that information. It's a lower level credit monitoring offer that they're given. If you have debt collectors coming after you, grab my 3-pack of letters: statute of limitations letter, cease and desist collection activities letter, and debt validation letter. Thank you for your time. Please post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.